Oh, it's your boy Sprite, and we're back with a video that's slightly different. As you can probably hear, there's a very, very annoying sound coming from my PC, and that is due to the graphics card fan. Since it is a Zotac graphics card, it has fan issues, which seem to be reported by many Zotac users. So I have I have purchased a replacement. It's obviously mixed brand Asus off eBay for like £5, maybe 10 max. Around £7, I would think. One thing that might stop you from getting the fan out will be this little foam thing. Or wait, is this rubber? Never mind, rubber. Yeah, that's rubber. This will keep the wire out of the way of the fan so it doesn't get chopped off. So first we shall turn the computer off. One moment. For this specific DIY, you will want to fully turn the computer off either by the switch and maybe, well, to be safe, also if your PSU has a switch, do that too. And you will need a set of tools. Not necessarily this many screwdrivers, but whichever one fits. And maybe a flathead just in case. Now we shall take it off. Take that case off. So make sure your tempered glass is secured safely, and your screws are somewhere where you won't lose them. So I put them behind here so I know where they are. And the graphics card, obviously you have to take out the power. I recommend using two hands. And take out the HDMI and screwdriver. I'm using this odd looking one just for ease, since these screws aren't. I'll be back. And voila, we have the screws out. I took the pink ones from another PC I have because I like them better than the black or blue ones that were already with this PC. Alright, black ones according to the 4 other brackets. So yeah, now I shall resume taking out the graphics card carefully. And voila, you have your Zotac GTX 1060 3GB with this annoying fan. Doesn't make a noise now, but when it's in there it makes so much noise. And now I shall proceed to remove the shroud, screw by screw. And there you go, we have the shroud removed. I've recently cleaned this, so... Oh, okay, so that cable... This is the cable for this fan. That cable is... I believe it has electrical tape on it. So it's slightly black. So, give a moment for me to remove the current one. The flathead screwdriver comes in helpful when you're trying to remove this, as me having fat fingers, it's quite impossible. So that's that. Now to remove the actual fan. I do believe I just cut myself, so be careful, you can cut yourself on your card. It's not necessarily childproof. Though I am not a child, I'm just soft at the hand. Or soft to the touch. And there we go. There we go. Sleeved cable. Excuse me. So, this isn't actually the same size exactly. It's about 88mm, whereas the Zotac fan is about 90mm. I did order a Zotac one, according to the picture at least, but I got an Asus one. So hopefully this one fits. It has to fit. Does it fit? I think it's fine for the mount. so it fits on the heatsink. One moment. This is the main reason you want to get one that's exactly the same, because the Asus one has a slightly different design, which means it will not sit straight. So I'll have to cut that down. Okay, this wire is very long as well. Dang it. Oh well. See you in a bit. I'm gonna use pliers, I guess, to cut that plastic down just a bit, or most of it off, to actually fit it. And voila, with the power of very small cutters, I have... Dang, focus. I guess because I'm a shaky camera person. It has now been cut. Oh gosh. Well, majority of it's been cut off. It was the only way to make it fit. But at least I still have one sort of defense from the wire going into the fan. Though it shouldn't, really. I might have to somehow tie the band up either with electrical tape or sellotape, which is a bad idea probably. But yeah, I shall screw it in now, and then I'll get onto the wire a bit. There we go, perfect fit, though the screws aren't the exact size for the fan mounts. But as you can see, the cable is going down, not coming up, which is a good sign. I could put the rubber thing in, but I'm very I think that it probably would fall out and just get flung by the fan and lost, so I'm not going to do that just yet. I'm going to test my graphics card after I put the shroud back on with this new fan. Though I will have to do something about this wire, because this is way too long. Question is, will it go in? It does seem to be. Oh, I don't actually know. Oh, okay. Never mind. It should just go in that way. Go in. Hey! Click, it goes in. Perfect. So, I could either... this is annoying. If I could only cut it down, but I can't because I'm not very good with rewiring. Ooh, I do have some sort of cable tie. Personally, I highly recommend against doing this, but I'm just gonna leave it, and we'll see how it goes. If it short circuits, I'll probably buy a new graphics card much later in the year, since the GTX 1070 on eBay has come down to around £250 and a bit lower, 225 being the lowest so far, but that's with the £11 postage added on to that. So yeah, now to test it. We'll see if it makes a weird noise. There we go, everything's connected and closed. Sorry that quality isn't great. I think it's because my brightness on my phone is not so high that I can't see what you might be able to see. Also, I need more RAM. This motherboard, 2 RAM slots is not enough, but I guess 16 gig of RAM is enough. Now to check. Turn the PSU on, and then turn that on, and then, moment of truth. Yes. It's a lot of whirring. Let's come from the GPU. That's not bad. Much better than before. Let's see if my computer loads. Yep, there we go. Cute, dinosaur. And there you have it, nearly like new. Old 90mm fan, new 88mm fan. It might be, no, yeah, it should be at least 88mm. Now we shall check temperatures. Pretty average temps. And if we speed it up, technically that's still pretty loud. But not as loud as it was before. Okay, if I take it down to 40%. That's pretty quiet. Guess you can hear the CPU cooler fan more at that speed. But obviously for some reason it's running at 58%. Okay. So that's fine. And now game performance is what I shall. Let's try Fortnite. So like I said, around the £2.25 plus £11 mark. This one seems to be $2.30. So a bit less actually. $2.33 for a palette. Zotac, obviously not a good brand. Don't necessarily buy that just because it's cheap and it has ratings. It might not actually be good. It'll probably get fan issues despite its dual heat pipe design. This one though, this one's meant to be good. I'm not saying that just because the RGB lights, but it's just meant to be better. To begin with, we'll start off with Just Cause 3, which is quite resource hungry. Quite a lengthy loading process. Yeah, low memory, blah blah blah. Yeah, do it. Okay, oh, edge fade. Yeah. Actually, maybe. Oh, that's useless. Screen space reflections. Well, that should be fine. Too bad I can't get more than this. How do I exit this? Okay. Continue. When did I get this car?
Hello, Rico. Welcome back to Medici. This is Alessia, the voice of Radio del Revolucion. Mario told me that you're looking to liberate the town of Manaia and destroy the Vis Electra plant. I have to say, I cannot wait to see you in action. I'll call you again when you get close.
Where is it? Just a question. Cardio. Alpha. Manan. Press tone. Press space. Press tone. Press tone. I don't even know where I'm meant to be going. This game's so confusing. That's not what I want, but okay. Glass grenades. Do I have to have it set on Clont's Pro? Apparently not. I don't have the settings for that. Why? Oh, that's just poopy. Where am I even meant to be going? Map. Where do I need to go? Filter. Okay, missions. Well, that's helpful. Oh. Okay, there's a lot. So Soros is owned by us. Sirocco Sud is not. Sirocco Nord. North and South Sirocco. I guess it's still where I am. Sure. Is this liberated? Yes it is, but the town is not. So I shall go to Manea. Should turn around first. Somehow I broke part of the car off. Whoops. It's not me, it's the car. Did I just lag? Oh god. Don't worry, it's okay, it's a Bentley. Oh my god, are you kidding me? Also, why are the lights on? It's not even nighttime. Well, this is the town I was in before. It's very confusing. Okay, so this is the town. Press town. Where is the speaker? Raise the flag. Where am I meant to do that? What I hear is a... Oh, whoops. Where is it? I forgot how to grapple. Not the grapple. Oh god. Oh, that was interesting. I did see something that said 77 meters. What was that? Where is it now? 71 meters. This is just weapons, this is useless. Oh wait, that's an RPG.
Oh, a new toy.
Where's the speaker? Why is someone shooting? Dang. Oh. Oh, bad idea. I didn't do it. My car lives. Holster weapon. I think the tethers are gone. Okay, what's happening? There we go. My car, it lives. Oh my god. Okay, my car's gone. Nope, not what I wanted to do. Okay, so yeah, that's that. And my car is gone.
Target is still at large. Find him.
Hello, old man.
What is that? A rope?
Reports of hostiles in the area. All units respond.
Collateral. I don't know how to change weapons.
Find the rebel. Pursue aggressively.
Well, anyway, I hope you enjoyed that video. I don't know, here comes the cringy bit. I can't actually shoot if it's Free Fire. I can pretty much only shoot in auto aim, other than unless it's Fortnite. For some reason it's easier to aim in that. But see you in another video. I'll try and make them shorter. Like, I'm actually editing this video,
Copy that.
so hopefully I'll get them closer to 10 or even 5 minutes long, so you don't have to sit there or watch for too long. But see you later.